Exploring museum objects is a great way to learn whatever the subject. Now you can discover science museum objects in a whole new way using our 3D Models resource. We've scanned museum objects from our medicine collections so your students can explore them from every angle.
The kind of point of this is for you to have a go with the objects and use some of your skills in discussion, communication, creative thinking. What observations do you have about it?
This resource helps your students practice their skills of observation using their prior knowledge and asking questions. Combine the resource with our See, Link, Wonder discussion tool, which is a set of questions to help you and your students start thinking and talking about objects.
And we'd like you to basically come up with as many questions as you now have, things that you want to know now about anything we were talking about.
Always start with what your students can see. Look at the object from all angles. Consider its colour, size and shape. Does it look old or new? What is it made of? Can your students make a link with what they already know? Does the object remind them of anything? What does their knowledge tell them about this object? Finally, wonder. What else would your students like to discover? Think about where they could find out more. There are no right or wrong answers.
So some really, really amazing questions. And again, you've come up with these yourselves. You looked at something you didn't really know much about, and then you've come up with all of this just driven by your own curiosity.
It's easy to use our 3D objects in the classroom. We've supplied information about each object, plus discussion questions to hook your students' interest and get conversations started. You don't need special equipment. You can view the objects on any ordinary computer, laptop, tablet, or even on your phone. Put the models up on your whiteboard for all the class to see, or have students work in groups on their own devices to explore the models and learn more about them. You can even use Augmented Reality to superimpose the objects into the classroom environment. You can also use the See, Link, Wonder discussion tool on any museum visit to help students engage with the objects and stories. Why not try using 3D objects in your next lesson and try the See, Link, Wonder approach to discover the possibilities?